Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make red velvet cheesecake. First, ensure all your ingredients, especially cream cheese and eggs, are at room temperature for a smooth batter. Begin by preparing your crust. Combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan, then chill it while you prepare the filling. Next, let's create that iconic red velvet filling. In a large bowl, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually incorporate 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, followed by 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing well after each. Finally, gently fold in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 ounce of red food coloring for that vibrant hue. Now it's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully pour the vibrant red velvet batter over your chilled graham cracker crust. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle. Once baked, cool the cheesecake completely at room temperature before chilling it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. To complete your red velvet cheesecake, let's make a luscious cream cheese frosting. Combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Beat these together until light and fluffy, then gradually add 3 cups of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once smooth, spread this delightful frosting evenly over your thoroughly chilled cheesecake. Slice and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.